Deep in the heart of nature, hidden far from the world's hustle and bustle, lies a place where time seems to stand still. A gentle rumble, like a secret song, guides us. This is the sound of life, telling tales of untouched beauty. And here it is, a waterfall towering high, a hidden gem amidst the wilderness. Its pure water falls gracefully, forming a shimmering silver curtain beneath the canopy of leaves. Every drop is energy, every splash is life. This is an eternal reminder of the pristine beauty still preserved in the heart of Baturraden's lush forest.